Hey everyone, welcome back to our DIY home repair series. In today's quick guide, we're tackling a common issue that can turn your garage door from a convenience into a headache: worn or damaged rollers. Stick around to learn how to get that door rolling smoothly again. Have you noticed your garage door making more noise than usual? Or maybe it's been feeling a bit jerky on the way up or down. These are telltale signs that your door's rollers might be crying out for help. First up, safety. Make sure your garage door is in manual mode and securely open so it won't come crashing down. Grab your gloves because we're diving in. Now inspect the rollers. Are they looking worn or damaged? If yes, it's time for them to go. You'll need a set of new rollers which you can pick up from any hardware store. Go for nylon rollers if you prefer a quieter operation. Replacing the rollers is pretty straightforward. For the hinge-attached rollers, unscrew the brackets holding them to the door, pop out the old rollers and slide in the new ones. For the top and bottom rollers, it's a bit trickier, so pay close attention to how they're fitted before removing them. With the new rollers in place, give the door a couple of manual lifts and lowers. Feeling smoother? Perfect. If it's still not quite right, it might be time to call in the pros. And there you have it. A simple fix to get your garage door running like a dream. Remember, regular maintenance is key to avoiding these issues in the first place. But if you're ever in doubt or need some expert advice, don't hesitate to call our friends at 1-866-992-1816. They're the garage door repair and installation wizards ready to assist with any challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your home in tip-top shape. Catch you in the next video. Got a garage door problem that's beyond a simple DIY fix? Call 1-866-992-1816 now and speak to a garage door repair and installation technician. They've got the skills and expertise to get your door back on track in no time.